Hello everyone, welcome back to the Digital Learning English class at St. Joseph English Medium School, Vijaypur. Dear students, in our previous video, we have learnt about lesson number 9, the wise lion and the fearful hare. So today in this video, I am going to explain this lesson, the wise lion and the fearful hare. Let us analyze this lesson. It was a nice sunny day. Honu, the hare, was resting lazily under a banyan tree when a worried thought crossed his mind. See, dear children, the hare, the wise lion and the fearful hare is the wonderful moral story. In this lesson, once upon a time in the forest, there was a big forest. In that forest, a lazy hare. Hare means here rabbit. Hare means what? Rabbit. It was a nice sunny day. Honu the hare was resting lazily under a banyan tree. It was a bright sunny day. It was a nice sunny day. Honu, the hare's name, he was resting lazily under a banyan tree. When he was resting, he don't have any work to do. So what he thought? What he thought? A worried thought crossed his mind. One worried thought crossed his mind. What is that? What would happen if the earth were break up? So there is a saying, an empty mind is a devil workshop. An empty mind is a devil workshop. So this lazy rabbit was resting lazily. So he don't have work. He thought that. What he thought? If the earth is break up, what would happen? Then at that same time, Honu heard a loud thud, a big sound, rumbling sound. That time, Honu heard a big sound. What would happen if the earth were break up? When he thought this, suddenly he heard one loud voice, loud sound. He wondered. Just then he heard a thud followed by rumbling sound. He heard a big thud sound rumbling by. Oh, it has happened. Then he was sure. He confirmed. He is already thinking about the earth is breaking up. That time he heard a loud sound. He thought that, oh, happened. Now the earth is breaking. It happened. Oh, it has happened, thought the hare. He thought the earth is breaking up. He thought that earth is breaking up. He jumped up and started running. He couldn't check anything. He didn't check anything, whether it is true or false. What is that? What happened? He didn't check anything. He started running. He jumped up and started running. He met another hare on the way. At that time, he met another hare on the way. He said to him, what is his name? Another hare's name? Henko. Another hare, another rabbit name? Henko. He was Henko. Why? He asked Honu. Another hare, Henko, asked Honu, why you are running so fast? Asked Henko to the Honu, why you are running so fast? Honu shouted, the earth is breaking up. You better run too. Honu said to that Henko rabbit, the earth is breaking up. You better run too. You also run with me. Save your life, he said. Both the hares started running. As fast as they could. As they ran, They shouted. As they are running, they shouted like, "Earth is breaking up! Earth is breaking up!" They are shouting. Both the hare were shouting. Run to a safer place. What they are shouting? What they are shouting? Earth is breaking up! Earth is breaking up! Run to a safer place. Save your life. They are suggesting, they are requesting, or they are shouting to the other people. The earth is breaking up. The earth is breaking up. Run, run, everybody. Save your life. As they, many hares heard the voice. Many hares heard the voice of both hares, Henko and Honus. They also get worried. They also shouting. They also running. Soon thousands of hares were scampering. These words you already learned in the Pied Piper lesson. The rats were scampering. Scampering means running, rushing here and there. Running in the disorder. Soon the thousands of hares were scampering through the forest. The thousands of hares were scampering in the forest. So many hares were scampering, running here and there in order. Other animals too got caught off in the panic. Panic means fear. Getting fear. Other animals too got caught, second form of verb. Caught off in the panic. They also getting worried. They also in the fear. All the animals were afraid of that earth is breaking up. The earth is going to break up. So all animals caught off in the panic. The news spread mouth to mouth. How the news spread over the forest? All over in the forest, the news spread, the rumor spread mouth to mouth. All hares were spread the news, and soon everyone knew that earth was breaking up. Soon, within a fraction of a second, all forest animals knew that the earth was breaking up. It was not long before the whole jungle was on the move. It was not long before the whole jungle was on the move. Reptiles, insects, birds, and four-footed animals fled in wild disorder. Wild disorder means rushing here and there, pushing each other. They are scared and suppose, for example, you all students are shouting, fighting, making noise in the class. Suddenly headmistress came into the class. So what you will do? So everyone will scare, and everybody will getting scared and rushing each other, pushing each other. You will go to the place. Yes, no? So like that, all animals were pushing each other. They are rushing. They scared and scampering. Scampering means pushing each other, running here and there. The news spread by the rats, Honu, hares, mouth to mouth. It was not long before the whole jungle was in the move. Reptiles, insects, birds, and four-footed animals fled in the wild disorder. Wild disorder means all wild animals or animals, herd of animals were scampering. Scampering means rushing, running in the forest, pushing each other's hurriedly. In panic, they are rushing, they are running here in the forest. And their cries of terror filled the air. The cries of terror means scary, horror. The cries of terror filled the air. The cries of terror. The cries of terror. Which kind of terror there? Cries there. Cries means shouting. Not only crying. Cries means shouting. Shouting loudly. Their cries of terror. How the shouting is? Very horrible. Very horrible. Terror. The cries of terror were filled the air. Filled the air. A lion standing on a hillock saw the animals running and wondered. A lion? Who is the lion? Lion is the king of the forest. The king. The king have to ask others problems, no? So the lion asked. A lion asked. A lion standing on the hillock saw the animals. First the lion observed all the situation, why the animals are running here and there, why they are scared, why they are shouting. The lion standing on the hillock saw the animals running and wondered. He saw the animals were running here and there and wondered also. Why he wondered? Because all animals were running in the forest because what was going on? The lion worried about what was going on. He hastened down to the hill. He hastened means hurriedly he came down. The lion, king of the forest, came down. He hastened hurriedly come down the hill and stood in front of the herd of. The lion saw everybody was scaring and running here and there. He said them. He wondered and saw them. He hastily came down and ordered. He stood in front of the herd and called for it stop. The lion immediately called for them stop. They said them stop. Why you are running here and there? Why you all in the worried? Why you all scaring? What happened? The lion asked all animals. Herd means it is a group name, a collective name. Collective. Herd is a collective noun. So the lion stood in front of the animals and asked them to stop. The lion, the king of the forest, stopped all animals to by running. He asked them, stop it. Why you all running? What happened? He asked them. The king lion asked to all animals. Then a parrot alighting on a rock shrieked. The earth is breaking up. That time a parrot alighting means fiercely on the rock shrieked. Cries of parrot called shrieked. What is shrieked here? Cries of parrot is called birds. Cries of birds is called shrieked. The earth is what he shrieked? What the parrot shrieked? The earth is breaking up. What happened? The earth is breaking up. Lion asked, who said so? Who said so? Lion said, who said so? Parrot, I heard it from the monkeys. Then the parrot replied, I heard it from the monkeys. When the monkeys were asked, they said they heard it from the tigers. When the monkeys were asked, who told you this? Then the monkeys said, we heard it. They heard it from the tigers. Lion, who told the tigers? Lion asked again, who told the tigers? Where did they get the news from? The tigers? Where did they get the news from? When the lion inquired means, you know, how the police inspectors inquire the victim person. So that is called inquire. When the lion inquired about the source of the rumor. Source, it is a first thing. Source means who is the first man, first person told this lie. The source of the rumor, the information may be true or not true. about the source of the rumor, all the animals started pointing one another. When the lion investigate and he start asking the questions to everyone, that time all the animals were pointing at one another. They are all telling others name, not I am not he, I am not he. How in the class you all people blaming each other? In the class, how you people, suppose something mistakes happens in the class, what you will do? When asked someone, another one pointed another one. When teacher asks something, you people are pointing another ones, no? Like that, all the animals were pointing one another. Finally, when the hares were implicated, find out, struck. When the hares were found out implicated, they too pointed one another. The hares also pointed each others until Honu was identified as the first source of rumor. Until Honu was identified as the first source of this rumor. Rumor means, you know, the information which may be or may not be wrong or right. So like that, how the animals were pointing on each others. Finally Honu was implicated, identified as the first source of the rumor. First source means first person of the rumor. The lion asked Honu. That time the lion asked Honu, what made you to think the earth is breaking up? The lion asked the question to the Honu rabbit. What he asked? What made you to think the earth is breaking up? Why you said like that? Why you thought like that earth is breaking up? What made you to think like that? Honu was trembling with the fear. How Honu was? He was trembling with the fear. Honu was trembling, shaking himself. He was too scared and trembling. He replied. So Honu was trembling with the fear. He replied, I heard it cracking with my own ears, sir. I heard it, sir. I heard it, a big cracking sound, a big thud, a rumbling sound by my own ears, sir. He said, I heard the thud and rumbling. Let us go to the place where you heard the thud, said the lion. The lion was very intelligent. The lion started his investigation. You know that? Collecting the information, checking the situation whether it is true or false. So the lion was very intelligent. He said to Honu, let us go to the place. Lion said to the Honu rabbit, let us go to the place where you heard the thud. Let us go, Honu. Let's check what is that. Is it true or wrong? Let us go to the place where you heard the thud. He said, Honu, let us show us where it is. Then the said lion, Honu led them under the banyan tree. That time Honu rabbit led them. Led means Nadesu. Led. Honu led them. Them means all the animals under the banyan tree. Honu took all the animals to the banyan tree. The lion investigated the matter. The wise lion, intelligent lion, investigate. Vicharane. What is investigate means? Vicharane. Investigated the matter. He found that the thud Honu heard. He found that the thud Honu had heard, the sound which was Honu had heard, had been caused by, that sound is caused by large coconut falling from a nearby tree. What is that sound? Actually, that sound was falling a coconut. Sound of falling a coconut, a big coconut from the nearby tree. So it makes slide simple. It had landed on the pile of rocks, caused a minor landslide. It had landed on the pile of rocks, so it happened. It caused a minor landslide. Landslide means just a crack on the earth. The lion ordered to all animals. The lion understood what had happened, so he became angry and ordered. The lion ordered all the animals, go back to your homes. You all have made a fool of yourselves. You foolish animals, you all have made a fool of yourselves. The earth is safe. Who told you that earth is breaking up? The earth is safe. Next time, check the rumor before acting on it. The lion said to all animals, especially Honu, who said so? The earth is breaking up. You foolish animal, the earth is safe. The earth is safe. You all may have made a fool yourselves. Go back to your home. Next time, the lion said to all animals, next time, check the rumors before acting on it. Next time, whenever you are going to react on the situation, just check the rumors. Just check the rumors whether it is right or wrong. Then act on it. Then you have to react on it. Then all the animals left the place with their heads held low in shame. All the animals were left the place with their heads held low. They bent their head low because of shame. They felt ashamed themselves because to believe on the rumors. We should not believe on any rumors. We have to check before whether it is right or wrong. Dear children, what is the moral of this story? What you learned from this story? Yes, we should not believe on the rumors. We should not believe on the rumors. We have to check before acting on that. And one more moral is, we should not be lazy. We should not be lazy ever, because an empty mind is devil workshop. The lazy hair simply unnecessary worried about the silly things. So we should not believe on the rumors. We have to check before acting on that. So dear children, this completes the explanation of this lesson. Lesson number 9, The Wise Lion and the Fearful Hare. You all have to read this lesson one or two times. Reading practice can improve your reading capacity. So dear children, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.